Descendant of the Russian Tsars is back on the throne, not of the throne of Russia, but of the Britain. In this TMC video we will see how. King Charles III is the first descendant of the Russian Imperial Romanov family to ascend to the British throne. And how is this possible? In the last 3 centuries, it was not uncommon for the first, second and third cousins of the royal household in different countries to marry. Queen Elizabeth II and Prince Philip were third cousins. Elizabeth II's grandparents, King George V and Queen Mary, were second cousins as well, while Nicholas II and Alexandra were grandchildren of Queen Victoria, making them first cousins even though they came from different royal household and countries. And how is Charles related to Romanovs? Prince Philip was related to the Romanovs through all 4 of his grandparents. His paternal grandmother was Grand Duchess Olga Constantinovna, granddaughter of Nicholas I. His paternal grandfather, George I of Greece, was the son-in-law of Alexander III, who was also related to Queen Mary. George V was a favorite cousin of Nicholas II. Both were grandsons of Queen Victoria. Their resemblance was uncanny and the two often changed clothes to play pranks on the staff. However, neither George V nor Queen Mary were direct descendants of Romanovs. Charles III, through his father, Prince Philip, grandfather, Prince Andrew of Greece and Denmark, grandmother Olga Konstantinovna of Russia, great-grandfather Grand Duke Konstantin Nikolayevich of Russia, is the descendant of Nicholas I of Russia, Emperor of Russia, King of Poland and Grand Duke of Finland. He was the third son of Paul I and younger brother of his predecessor Alexander I. Although Charles III is of Romanov descent, he is not the closest living relative of the last Russian Tsar in the British royal family. That would be Elizabeth II's first cousin, Prince Michael of Kent, a man who also looks remarkably similar to Nicholas II and George V. If you click on this video, you will learn what is the difference between monarchy and republic and why monarchies work better in 21st century.